this beautiful beachside home located in Daytona Beach, Florida. You'll love all the character that this home has to offer, including original hardwood floors, wood-burning fireplace, chef's kitchen, fantastic pool area, and a brand new roof. Not to mention, the beach approach is just within walking distance. Let's go tour this home.
You'll feel right at home as soon as you walk through the door of this beachside beauty with the original hardwood floors and wood-burning fireplace. Grab a drink and relax from one of your 2 wine refrigerators or built-in kegerator. You'll love your chef's kitchen with gas cooktop, double ovens, and brand new refrigerator. And your dog will love it too. This home features 2 updated bathrooms and 2 cozy guest rooms. And also a master suite with pool views and custom built-in closets. The pool area can speak for itself. Find out more about this home and schedule a tour today. Call me at 386-262-2011.